Hi guys, today I try out a vegan restaurant called Cashews, and I'll also be giving my rate out of 10. They have a lot of gluten-free options, and this is my first time experience, so I hope you enjoy this video. Try the chocolate chip gluten-free vegan donut. Cheers. Donut. Chocolate chip gluten-free cookie. What is that? Raspberry milk?
Yeah. Can't wait to try this.
What's the damage? Good?
Good.
Lemon? Can I try that?
Yeah.
Can I try this now?
Donuts are really good. That's pretty good. $3. It's pretty good for because I was charging $2.50 for the cheesecake. So I guess
This one's my favorite.
yeah, it's good.
Seriously. Do you like the strawberry? There you go.
This one is my favorite.
Here.
Remember? This is good too.
I really like brownies, so let's see how this one
That's
tastes.
one I got?
No, this is not the jackfruit.
Oh, it's not?
It's like fudgy.
It's black bean.
Ice cream?
Is it good? Yeah, you seem to want. I should have said it. Do you like it?
It has a different taste. Is it good?
It's different.
Thank you.
It's good.
Cameron, I got this for both of us, okay?
Okay.
Oh wow, you have a run.
That's horrible, man.
Can I try some, Cameron? What is this one? Chicken wrap. This one is good.
It's good.
This is a different nachos. It's just a regular. No jackfruit. It has jalapenos on it. Salsa, olive, sour cream. It has chili and spring mix. How do you like the mac and cheese? It is good. Philly cheesesteak. This is the Beyond Burger salad mix, tomato, cheese pickle.
I'm gonna come here.
They have some. And they have pencils. Wow. Bro, those are not pencils.
I like that. I like that too.
Where?
These things, they look weird, but they're funny.
Right here, Cameron.
Yeah.
It's not milk mocha, but it sure is close, right? Oh, that is cute.
This is you when you guys.
Why are you tucking them in bed? Bro, I found this bag, right? And the other version had a shoe sheet. But this one had a butt and a toilet paper.
What?
And I was like, you can't find this anywhere. So I'm getting this with a butt and a toilet paper.
Is that a Japanese? Like,
Yeah, I guess so.
it's a smile on it.
Yep, my butt's smiling right now too.